2. Methodology. The Swedish Institute for Food and Biotechnology (SIK) has reconstructed mass flows of food aimed to human consumption, from production to consumption, using available data, in order to quantify food losses and wastes. 2.1 Definition of food losses and food waste. Food losses refer to the decrease in edible food mass throughout the part of the supply chain that specifically leads to edible food for human consumption. Food losses take place at production, post-harvest and processing stages in the food supply chain. Parfit et al., 2010. Food losses occurring at the end of the food chain, retail and final consumption, are rather called food waste, which relates to retailers' and consumers' behavior. Parfit et al., 2010. Food waste or loss is measured only for products that are directed to human consumption, excluding feed and parts of products which are not edible. Per definition, food losses or waste are the masses of food lost or wasted in the part of food chains leading to edible products going to human consumption. Therefore, food that was originally meant to human consumption but which fortuity gets out the human food chain is considered as food loss or waste, even if it is then directed to a non-food use, feed, bioenergy. This approach distinguishes planned, non-food uses to unplanned, non-food uses, which are hereby accounted under losses. 2.2 Types of food losses, waste. 5 system boundaries were distinguished in the food supply chains (FSC) of vegetable and animal commodities. Food loss, waste were estimated for each of these segments of the FSC. The following aspects were considered: vegetable commodities and products, agricultural production, losses due to mechanical damage and/or spillage during harvest operation, e.g. threshing or fruit picking, crops sorted out post-harvest, etc. Post-harvest handling and storage, including losses due to spillage and degradation during handling, storage and transportation between farm and distribution. Processing, including losses due to spillage and degradation during industrial or domestic processing, e.g. juice production, canning and bread baking. Losses may occur when crops are sorted out if not suitable to process, or during washing, peeling, slicing and boiling, or during process interruptions and accidental spillage. Distribution, including losses and waste in the market system, at e.g. wholesale markets, supermarkets, retailers and wet markets. Consumption, including losses and waste during consumption at the household level. Animal commodities and products, agricultural production. For bovine, pork and poultry meat, losses refer to animal death during breeding. For fish, losses refer to discards during fishing. For milk, losses refer to decreased milk production due to dairy cow sickness, mastitis.